Have you ever struggled explaining a tricky feature with text that no one reads? Imagine recording a 2-minute walkthrough and instantly turning it into a polished multi-language how-to video with voiceover, annotations, and even AI avatar without opening a camera. That's the magic of WowTo. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Today we're diving into WowTo, an AI-powered tool purpose-built for creating instructional how-to videos and video knowledge bases. It's designed for support teams, educators, or anyone who wants to replace help articles with engaging visual content, with features like screen recording, PDF PPT conversion, AI voiceovers in 20+ languages, lifelike avatars, annotations, and embeddable widgets. WowTo lets you create, host, and deliver support videos seamlessly across your site or app. While WowTo doesn't currently show up on Trustpilot, user insights from review hubs set a strong pace for its ease of use and NLP voice quality, particularly for multilingual support and quick video updates. So using WowTo, you can turn PDFs into instructional videos instantly. Instead of starting from zero, WowTo lets you instantly convert a PDF into a structured how-to video. You simply upload your PDF manual, guide, or documentation, and WowTo auto-splits it into scenes with editable text boxes. From there, you can assign AI voiceovers, avatars, animations, and transitions to each section, making your content ready for support portals or onboarding in just a few clicks. It's like transforming boring PDFs into polished training videos without needing design or video editing skills. So that's the end of feature number 1. Now let's move on to feature number 2. So using WowTo, you can convert your PowerPoints to fully voiced videos. WowTo doesn't just stop at PDFs, you can also turn PPTX presentations into narrated videos effortlessly. Just upload your PowerPoint file and the tool will convert your slides into high-quality visuals, extract presentation notes as the spoken script, and auto-generate voiceovers using AI voices. It is perfect for transforming onboarding slides, product training decks, or classroom presentations into bite-sized shareable videos. There is no need to record yourself or sync slides manually. Just upload and WowTo does all the work literally. Now let's move on to feature number 3. So WowTo plays nice with your existing stack thanks to real-time integrations with tools like Zapier, Intercom, Shopify, Jira, Confluence, Slack, and Zendesk. Your how-to videos are right where you need them, when you need them, and how you need them. You can automatically sync new content to your help desk or knowledge base, serve personalized videos inside chat tools like Intercom or Slack, streamline support and onboarding using automated triggers via Zapier, forget switching tabs or digging through folders. Your support and training videos are now embedded into your workflow. So that's the end of the core features. Now let's see who benefits the most out of it. So WowTo is ideal for support teams who need scalable visual answers, SaaS businesses wanting to reduce help ticket volume, training and HR teams building multilingual onboarding content, anyone needing FAQs, walkthroughs, or help content that's quick to build and update. Since nothing is perfect, there are some areas that could improve. AI voices still sound robotic in complex scripts. Not bad, but not always natural. The free plan is limited, just 3 short videos, watermark and capped TTS and avatar credits. More visual customization and avatar variety would elevate the experience further. There's not really any affiliate program and no public API yet, but for now, it's best used directly via the web editor. So here's my final take. The ease of use is 9 out of 10 with intuitive, fast, made-for-non-designers interface. And then we have feature scope. I would rate it 9 out of 10 as well. It has voices, avatars, annotations, embeds, and knowledge base in one platform. It is best for SaaS teams, support desks, HR, and training departments needing dynamic, low-effort video content. Yes, the free tier is limited and voices aren't perfect, but WowTo delivers what it promises. Beautiful how-to videos produced quickly in many languages and hosted right where your users need them the most. So overall rating of the application is 9 out of 10. Let me know in the comments, what would you replace your help articles with, walkthrough videos or otherwise? I love to hear your ideas. So that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up.